Rectification of defects. Rectification of defects. Blistering of plastered surface. The lime should be properly slacked before use. Slacked lime should be left for weeks to cool before use. Cracking. It can be prevented by following measure. Proper mixing of mortar. Control on mix proportion of mortar. Suitable control over variations in temperature. Rust strain. Tight fixing of chicken mesh and cutting the excess projection of the mesh which are coming out of plaster. Efflorescence. It can be prevented by following measure. Only washed sand to be used. Burnt bricks and clean water to be used. Small proportion of alum and salt soap to be added in mix. Damp-proof coat that should be provided. Uneven surface. Improve the quality of workmanship and train the masons for good work. Softness. Keep minimum thickness of plaster and wash the sand. Falling of plaster. It can be prevented by following measure. To ensure proper keep by racking out joints and roughening of background material on base course. Watering of base coat at least 1 day before plastering. Fresh surface should be kept wet and cool for at least 15 days. Peeling, closely hacking at 50 nose notches per square feet, 500 numbers per meter square, and cleaning the ceiling for making it free from oily substances will sort out the problem. Preventive measures of crazing. Adopt lowest possible water and cement content. Avoid non-cohesive concrete mix. Curing should commence as early as possible to avoid rapid drying of concrete surface. Excessive drawling causes crazing on the smooth surface. Limit the maximum size of aggregate. Avoid smooth and non-absorbent formwork. Avoid rich concrete mixes with high cement content. Preventive, remedial measures of drying shrinkage. Reduce the cement content. Reduce the water content. Improve curing. Aggregates which have high elastic modulus and low porosity are preferred. In slab-on-grade contraction joints are required to be provided to prevent drying shrinkage cracks.